Mr. Zebra. My name's Casper. How would you like to... Gosh, some animals are so sensitive.
I sure wish I could get rid of this cold. Good morning, Mr. Peacock.
Good morning, Wheezy.
Golly, they look like real friendly little fellas.
It's that pest Wheezy again.
Say, that's no way to be friendly.
A ghost!
Hello, Wheezy. My name's Casper.
Hello, Casper.
Say, that sneeze got you into a peck of trouble.
Yeah. Casper. Nobody wants to be...
Golly, we've got to figure out a way to stop your sneezing.
Do you really think you can?
This ought to do the trick.
Gee, thanks, Casper. Achoo!
Oh my gosh! Well, what do you know? It was this little feather all the time that was making you sneeze, Wheezy.
Hooray! I'm never going to sneeze again. I'm never going to sneeze again. I'm never going to sneeze again. I sure was lucky to meet you, Casper.
Look, Wheezy! Quick, Wheezy! You just gotta sneeze and blow out that fire.
I can't do it, Casper.
A feather, that's it. I forgot all about the feather, Wheezy.